Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money online using Canvas. I'm going to be sharing different ways that you can do this. So the first way to do this is to actually create printable war art. All you have to do is go on Canvas. You really don't need to start from the scratch. There are different templates on Canvas that are already made. So what you can do is go on Canvas and search for war art, and then all you have to do is to just make little changes to what you already have there to create something new, and then you save this war art with good quality. You save it at a very high quality, and then you take this war art to sites like Etsy and Zazu, and you upload your war art on this site. There are people who would go there to purchase your artwork because they really don't like the stress of going to the market to search for art papers, or they just want something unique. So there are people who would go on this platform and purchase your war art very easy. So the next way that you can make money is actually by creating thumbnails. Yes, you can create thumbnails and make money. A lot of content creators actually make their videos and they really don't want to go through the stress of making thumbnails. So what they do is that they go on platforms like Fiverr, Gumroad, Creative Markets to actually look for people who can create these thumbnails for them. So what you can do is, for example, if you have if you say you want to create a thumbnail for a makeup artist, you can go on Canvas and then you just type in thumbnail for makeup artists. It can be for YouTube, you can specify it YouTube thumbnail for makeup artists, and then you see a lot of already made templates there. All you have to do is to just edit and change it to something new and just make it look different from what you already have there, and then you can upload this thumbnails to platform like Fiverr, Guru.com. There are people who would pay a lot of dollars for this. Yes, so the next way you can make money on Canvas is to actually create schoolroom lessons. You can do this on Canvas by also searching for schoolroom lessons and just editing it to your taste, and you can post this lessons on Teachers Pay Teacher. On that website you will get people who are willing to pay for your lessons. Another way that you can make money on Canvas is to actually create quiz videos. I know you're going to wonder, like, how am I going to get quizzes? You can actually get your quiz on ChatGTP. You can just type a prompt on ChatGTP to create quiz for you, and then you copy this quiz and then you take it to Canvas and then create a template where you just post your quiz, and then you can take it, you can save it and take this to platform like TikTok, and then you upload these videos and you get people who actually engage with this post, and then in turn it actually makes money for you, and then you earn in dollars. Yes, so I am going to be posting more ways that you can earn money online in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.